Hi students, in this video we are going to learn the topic conical pendulum. Pendulum consists of bob, string and digit support. In case of conical pendulum, string revolve along the surface of right circular cone of vertical axis, and the point object like this bob will perform the uniform horizontal circular motion, or in other words, bob perform the horizontal circle and string perform the cone. That arrangement is called a conical pendulum. Now, to determine the period of a conical pendulum, that means what time taken by the bob to complete its one revolution. In a given position B, when bob is at a position B, there are two forces acting on the bob. First, the weight of bob mg directed vertically downward, and the force due to tension in the string T0 is along the string toward the rigid support. These are the two forces acting on the bob when bob is at a position B. As the motion of a bob is a horizontal circular motion, what happens? The resultant force must be horizontal and directed towards the center C. Thus, we have to resolve this tension T0, that is the force due to tension by string T0, into two components: vertical component T0 cos theta and horizontal component T0 sin theta. From the above diagram, mg balances vertical component and centripetal force balances horizontal components. That means mg equal to T0 cos theta and mv square upon r, or mr omega square equal to T0 sin theta. Here is, from these two equations, omega square equals to g sin theta upon r cos theta, but from diagram, sin theta equal to opposite r divided by adjacent hypotenuse L. So if we put the value of a sin theta, then we get omega square equal to g upon L cos theta. That is omega equal to root g upon L cos theta. But we know that for circular motion its angular speed equal to 2 pi upon t. Therefore, equating these two equations, 2 pi upon t equals to root g upon L cos theta, and therefore t equal to 2 pi into root L cos theta upon g. This is an expression for period of conical pendulum. Thank you for watching.